In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Etsy shop name. Whether you're rebranding or just looking for a fresh start, changing your Etsy shop name is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, let's begin by logging in to your Etsy account. You'll need to make sure you're logged into the account associated with your shop. Once you're there, head over to the Shop Manager. This is the command center for your Etsy shop, where you can manage everything from listings to finances. You'll find the Shop Manager link conveniently located at the top right corner of your Etsy homepage. Simply click on it to dive into managing your shop. Now that you're in the Shop Manager, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you haven't already. This is your home base for all things related to your shop's operational needs. If this is your first time here, don't worry. The page is user-friendly and designed to help you access all the tools you'll need to run your business smoothly. Next, you need to find the option labeled Name Your Shop. This might sound straightforward, but making changes to your shop's identity is a decision that requires a bit of thought. Analyze your reasons for changing your shop name. Is it because of a change in your product line, or do you just want something more catchy? Remember, your shop name is an integral part of your brand identity, so ensure that it truly reflects what you want your customers to perceive when they think of your business. When you click Name Your Shop, it will prompt you to enter your desired shop name. Here's a tip. Try to come up with a name that is original and easy to remember. It should also be relevant to what you're selling, as this makes it easier for potential customers to find you. You can check the availability of your name easily within Etsy. Keep in mind that Etsy allows only one change of shop name for each shop, so make sure you're happy with your choice before proceeding. Once you've settled on the perfect name, type it into the provided field. Double-check for any spelling errors or typos. Accuracy is vital here. After entering your new shop name, confirm your choice. At this point, Etsy will save your changes, and voila, your shop now has a new name. Remember, while this process is simple, the decision itself is quite significant, so choose wisely. That concludes our tutorial for today. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this guide has made the process of changing your Etsy shop name clear and effortless. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Happy selling on Etsy!